This is Bart Connor, puppy, namesake, and he was hungry. They're 3 weeks old today, and we will give them gruel later on this afternoon. But for now, they want the bottle. Some do, some don't. And this is goat's milk split in half with water that we're feeding them. Okay, turn his face towards the camera. You can go the other way if you want. Yeah, just turn him around. How sweet.